Did you know that over 115 million animals are used in laboratory experiments every year? What if there was a better way to advance science without sacrificing lives? For decades, animals have been at the center of medical and cosmetic testing, enduring pain, stress, and sometimes death, all for the sake of scientific progress. While these tests have led to breakthroughs, they raise a critical question. Is it ethical to use animals for experiments, knowing the suffering they endure? But now there's hope for a change. Scientists are developing cutting-edge alternatives like 3D bioprinting, organ-on-a-chip technology, and sophisticated computer models that replicate human biology without involving animals. These methods are not only humane, but they're often faster, more accurate, and more cost-effective. The future of science doesn't have to be cruel. You have the power to help end animal testing. Share this video, spread awareness, and support organizations pushing for ethical research. Because together, we can create a world where science and compassion go hand in hand. The choice is in our hands. Let's make it count.